Today, I'm gonna show you how I like to go dirty in the morning. Right before I go on a really long run or have a really hard workout, this is the smoothie I make every morning. Honestly, this is why I created Dirty Juice, particularly Rise and Grind, to get me going in the morning. Honestly, one sip of this, you'll be able to run 20 miles without even training. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but this has everything you need to help you have a great workout. Cheers. As always, be kind and be dirty.